Have you ever wondered how to make a silhouette of your image in just a few clicks? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this Canva tutorial. Hi everyone and welcome to our channel Canva's Crusade. Today I'm going to share how I created this silhouette out of this photo and then how I insert it behind the photo, as you can see here on the screen. Let's start by inserting a new page. And I'm going to the upload section of Canva where I have my photo. You will see this is very easy and quick. So the first step, I'm going to remove the background by selecting the photo, edit the photo and clicking this background remover button. This step is crucial as it helps highlight the silhouette effectively. Now let's go to the second step. Click on the Duotone button and choose Custom. All you have to do is change the color to white. Oops! What just happened? Don't worry, if you encounter a glitch like this in Canva, these small hiccups are easy to fix. Just click somewhere on the screen and the white silhouette appears again as it should. For the final step, I'm duplicating my white silhouette and make it bigger. Then, I'm duplicating my photo and put it on the top of the white silhouette. This is a great Canva image trick, don't you agree? Let me know in the comments. If you're intrigued by what you can do with silhouettes, check out the video that just appeared on your screen. It dives deeper into the world of creative silhouette effects in Canva. Also, there's a subscribe button on your screen in case you want to follow our work. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your creations in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.